I hope they let me film them. Let's hope. Hi guys. Hello. Hi. What you doing? What are you doing? Hey? What's happening? Hi. What are you guys up to? Do you like what I put out there? Is it nice? No fighting. Be nice. No fighting. Hi. You're all puffed up and fat, so you're obviously very happy. I put multi-grain bread out for them every day. Like the bread that doesn't have any impurities and stuff in it, it's all natural, sort of. And every now and then I put a little bit of natural bush honey on it for them. Not all the time, but sometimes. Aren't they cute? They're the nicest birds in the world. They fight all the time, but they're being very calm. These guys are naturally feeding on the honey. So, what I'm doing is giving them some as natural food as I possibly can, some seafood, and it attracts them back to the native plants in my front garden. And you guys help to bring all the other things that get rid of all the pests as well. Don't ya? Very handsome. Very pretty. I know, you know. You going? You're going now? Don't you love the way they hop? They hop. They don't walk. Hop. So these are rainbow lorikeets, native to Australia. And why we have a really big problem in Australia with our birds is, as you can see, most of Australian birds are grass-feeding parrots or grass-feeding birds. A lot of the native Australian wildlife is being destroyed by feral cats. And this is why you have to be very diligent with your cats. You have to keep them in at night, and you have to watch them during the day. Put a bell on them, so we can save these beautiful birds. Hope you like video. Hi, probably can't see me. They're the little fellas at my place, they rock. See ya.